Hello, welcome to another hacky tip video. Today we're going to do something a little different, and it entails creating a stereo setup with speakers that are not really intended to be used like this, using cables, hardwiring two speakers. In this case, we're using the JBL Charge 3, which were stereo. Each one of them is stereo, which means that it has two small speakers inside, but obviously you can see that there's not a lot of space, so you're not going to get a lot of stereo separation and notice that they are stereo. So that's why the Charge speakers were, since the Charge 4 and then the Charge 5 are mono, which means this wouldn't apply to those models. There's other models, JBL models, that still use stereo, and you would have to check your specific speaker to see if this applies to you. Anyway, I'm gonna turn on this speaker so you can see that each speaker is stereo. This is a left-right stereo sound test that's on the Hacky Tip channel in case you want to use it. And I'm going to turn it on. There, we're just listening to one speaker.
Left channel, right channel, right channel, right channel, left channel, left channel, left channel, right channel, right.
So there you can see that I'm just connecting it right now to an aux cable, which is stereo, and to one speaker, and we have a stereo speaker, which this is not what we want. We want the left speaker to be the left channel and the right channel to be on the right speaker. So I hope this is not too complicated. I'm just trying to make it as simple as possible. I know it doesn't seem that simple, but it really is. And this is what I came up with. You see here, this is a aux cable that has RCA plug, and this RCA is split into two, which is going to give you basically the same. In this case, it's the white left channel. I'm repeating the left channel into this other adapter. This is also RCA, and this goes to RCA to 1/8 aux again. So basically, this side is going to go into your speaker. So what we're basically repeating the left channel twice, so that when it comes into this connection, the left and the right are going to be going into the speaker, so we can listen basically the left channel twice on both of the speakers. And the same for the other side. So let me set it up for you so you can listen to what I did. And if you want to take another look at this, it's just aux to RCA, and then this RCA that splits into two, and another aux to RCA. So hope this is useful. I'm gonna post a separate sound test of this so you can see what it sounds like. But in a few seconds, I'm gonna just post the right and left test again so you can see that we're getting stereo separation. Just give me a minute.
Left channel, right channel, right channel.
Well, thank you for watching. Hope this helps you to set up your speakers in stereo. And if you want to listen to this setup, it's going to be on a separate video. I'm going to put it in the description below. And check out our other videos. There's some sound tests and other videos that we have on the Hacky Tip channel. Thank you for watching.